Tableau Big Data Analytics. You must have heard of this name Tableau in the market. This has become one of the most popular business intelligence tools nowadays. Tableau, it is greatly used because the data it can be analyzed very quickly with it. Also, visualization they are generated as dashboards and the worksheets. Tableau it allows one to create the dashboard and provide actionable insight and drive the business forward. So that is why we are using Tableau. They provide actionable insight about your data. It helps you create the dashboard, and that is why analyzing that data we can drive our business forward. Tableau products, they always operate in the virtualized environment where they can be configured with the proper underlying operating system and the hardware. Tableau it is used by the data scientists to explore data with limitless visual analytics. It is one of the most popular data visualization tools used by many enterprises and the businesses to gain better insight into their data to offer the best customer experience. So we can say today in the market, this Tableau, this is the most popular data visualization tool that our enterprises, our businesses, they are using to visualize their data so that they can offer the best experiences to their customer. So we can say Tableau, it is basically a data visualization tool. What are the advantages of using Tableau? The very first thing is fantastic visualization. It will help you visualize your data in a fantastically in a fantastic way. So with the help of this kind of tool, you can visualize, you can use your data, you can analyze your data in the best way. Secondly, in-depth and insights. Obviously, analyzing the data by any human, this abundance data which is floating in the market nowadays for any organization, for doing this analysis by any person, it is difficult. So this Tableau, it will provide you with the in-depth insight about your data. Third advantage of using this Tableau is its user-friendly approach. It is a kind of tool, it is a kind of platform we can say which is very user-friendly. Any person, technical or non-technical, it can use it. The user interface that it provides, it is very user-friendly. So the way in which it provides the data or the visualization of data to the people, it is very user friendly. Next, again working with the disparate data sources. We have different kinds of data sources. All of them, they have different formats of storing the data. So it can work with disparate data sources, keeping it or integrating it all together and converting it into such a format in which you can analyze the data. Next advantage of using Tableau is adding the data set. We can add new data sets into this particular tool. Then switching between visualization. Since there are different type of visualization tools, there are different type of ways in which we can visualize our data. So we can switch between this visualization. Suppose we are viewing certain data into one format, so we can easily switch that format into another format. So that makes our analysis for our data more better, more easy. Talking about the next one, which is a SAP business object. Business object in SAP business workflow. It is defined as a collection of methods or the events for an entity in business process. Few common business objects in SAP system, it include the customer, the material and the vendor. We are talking about the SAP business object. What are the main business object which our company focuses on? Our customer, our material and our vendor. So these are the basic business objects in the SAP system. SAP business object, business intelligence, it is a centralized suite for the data reporting, visualization and sharing. as the on-premises business intelligence layer for SAP Business Intelligence Technology Platform. It transforms the data into useful insights available anytime, anywhere. So again, this SAP Business Object, it is a tool which can be utilized for reporting, for visualizing your data, and even sharing your data between the various people into your organization. Now, share insight and make better decision with the SAP Business Object Business Intelligence tool. By providing a flexible architecture or analytics platform, it can support your growth from a few users to tens of thousands of users, and from a single tool to multiple tool and interfaces. It provides you with a flexible architecture. So that is why we can definitely have an increase in the users. We can definitely have an increase into the number of tools that we are utilizing. The advantages are it provides on-premises deployment. On-premises deployment of the software take place. Real-time business intelligence it provides. Increased user autonomy. Then simplified, personalized and dynamic information consumption gets done. So when deployed on premises, this product it requires a perceptual license and allows you to license and pay for only the functionality and the users who need. You can also deploy the private cloud edition. A subscription is then required based on the number of users you need. So obviously when you talk about the cloud edition, so the number of users that you are using, according to that the subscription has to be taken for. So that is why we can again use this SAP business object for the on-premises deployment, as well as for the private cloud edition can also be deployed. The last one in our unit, the next powerful business intelligence tool, it is Looker. Looker is a powerful business intelligence tool that can help a business develop the insightful visualization. It offers a user-friendly workflow. It is completely browser-based, eliminating the need for desktop software, and so it facilitates the dashboard collaboration. The Looker, it is a data discovery application, means it is a platform for data that provide data exploration functionalities for large as well as for small businesses. It allows anyone to find, to navigate and understand their data. For exploring the data, it has the analytics interface, and for curating data experiences are reusable. So basically we can say a Looker, it is a data discovery application which can discover the best trends, the best patterns into our data. It will provide you with the best form of visualization, in the form of which we can analyze our data for taking better decisions. Talking about the advantages of Looker, first of all, nowadays companies they need flexibility and the ability to customize for technical users and the business users to collaborate. Looker, it provides both the customization for the technical user and the business users to collaborate with them. So advantages of this Looker they include, first of all, it is multi-cloud user friendly. Looker multi-cloud capabilities, they allow you to easily change where you choose to deploy Looker, and while underlying the cloud database with no impact on the end user's experience. So it basically provides you with multi-cloud, we can say it is multi-cloud friendly. We can deploy this Looker, it provides multi-cloud capability. So that is why we can say it can be, uh, it is multi-cloud friendly. Second, it is customizable. Developers, they can also use the Looker platform to build and to deploy their own custom end-to-end application. or they can start with Looker pre-built applications like the web analytics, marketing analytics, and the sales analytics. So this is a very important feature that the platform of Looker, it is customizable as per our requirement, since every organization, it deals into different products, it deals with different people, different applications, so it is customizable. If you deploy this particular Looker into your company, it will provide you with end to end application as per your requirement. It will provide you customized application. There are definitely pre-built application into it as well, which are certain web analytics application, marketing analytics application, and the sales analytics application, which can be utilized by the company. So another advantage of it is customizable. The third one is metrics, governance, and actions. Looker, it solves both the governance problem of where and how the metrics are calculated and provides the application programming interface which are necessary to do something with your data. So this is another advantage of using this Looker, which is metrics, governance, and action. So with this, we complete with our unit 10, in which we have discussed, we have talked about various software tools, business intelligence tool which are available in the market. So any organization, it can, according to its requirement, according to its application and its affordability, can choose any of these tools which are being discussed in this unit. And other than this, there are many more and more tools and developments into these tools in the market. Every day new and new tools, new and new things are coming up in the market. So according to your requirement, you can utilize these tools for your organization. With this, we complete with this subject.